parang iwas ng waste. Like, sa bahay, bawa yung sa tubig. We do simple things like recycling as well. Kasi parang, halimbawa, kung kaya mong i-reuse yung water, especially my husband is a huge advocate ng yung parang sustainable na parang household, parang kailangan lahat parang kung kayang i-reuse, i-reuse. So yung sa tubig namin, hindi talaga siya natatapon agad. Ilalagay yan sa isang bucket and then we will have to reuse it for some other things. Like sa laundry, for example, diba maraming tubig yung sa laundry. Yun. So, ayun, waste talaga. Parang, it's good to live a comfortable life if we deserve it because we worked hard for it. Pero I think yung pinaka-biggest tip is to make sure that you don't put your hard work to a waste.